Hello and welcome to our baking channel, Baking with Chef Tonde. From our previous episode where we were showcasing how to make bread and butter pudding, we had done everything, then we were left for baking, how to bake. Then we baked our bread and butter pudding, so now it's ready. We're gonna take it out. It's ready, well baked. So we take it out. Here is our bread and butter pudding. It's well baked, and you can as soon as it come out like this, then you can even add more cinnamon if you're so willing to. You can add more cinnamon on, just a little, just for the aroma to just go down deep inside, just like this. It's on, it's right, it's nice. Then if we had used the raisins we're gonna pop up on top of the egg, because there's this egg filling. It was gonna be on top like this, but ours is plain because we don't like raisins a lot. And the other thing, as you can see, there is these bent tops, so it means you must be very careful with the oven. This pudding, it bakes with 180 or even lower your temperature, then you put more time. But it must just be baked well enough, just so that it is set like this. This one, it's firm. It's very firm, nice. So how you eat it, it's up to you. You have to let it cool down. Then after cooling down, then it's easy, because it's egg filling. Then you will take it out after cooling down, then you cut your desired pieces, then you enjoy it. After a good meal accompanied with a nice pudding, everything will be fine. And that's all. I hope everyone watching will be able to say, I got this, I'm doing it. Then you do it every meal. You just make, don't throw away your breads, don't throw away your rolls. Shove them away, put them in the deep freezer, take them out on a rainy day. Then you enjoy nice meal every day. Thank you. Chef Tonde signing out.